Welcome to Pykara Technologies. In this demo, I'm going to show you one of the modules in our AI-powered learning platform called PyLearn. PyLearn is a comprehensive learning platform that contains multiple subjects and various learning modules. This is a POC version of our application created to showcase the concept and key features of the platform. Now I will be demonstrating one specific module called Subject Tutor. Subject Tutor is an AI-based chat application designed for focused learning. Unlike a general AI chatbot that searches from multiple sources and may provide different answers at different times, but Subject Tutor works only with the content provided by the administrator. This means the system always gives consistent, reliable, and controlled responses based on the learning material uploaded to the platform. Let me show you how it works.
Good morning. Let's begin our lesson on tenses. You can ask me any question about tenses.
When the student opens the module, the teacher introduces herself. At the beginning, you can also see a few suggested questions related to tenses. These questions are automatically generated based on the content available in the backend. Currently, we have implemented English tenses content in the backend. Based on that content, the system displays some sample questions for students. The learner can simply click any suggested question to get started. For example, now I'm going to click what is present tense.
The present tense describes actions happening now. It is also used for habits and daily routines. It shows general facts and truths. This tense is commonly used in daily life.
Based on the previous question, the suggested question is also changed. The subject tutor provides multiple ways for learner to interact with the system. Users can click a suggested question, type their own question, or using voice input. No matter how the question is submitted, the system understands the user's intent and retrieves the correct answer from the predefined content. Now I'm going to ask question by typing. For example, what is past tense?
The past tense explains actions that already happened. These actions are completed. They did not happen in the present. This tense is used for earlier events.
Now I'm going to ask a question using voice. What is future tense? Yes, the voice is converted into text and then I'm going to click send button.
The future tense describes actions that will.
One of the most important features of Subject Tutor is always consistency. The system does not search the internet, it does not generate random responses, it only uses the approved content available in the backend knowledge base. For example, if multiple learners ask what is present tense, every learner receives the same approved answer. This ensures content accuracy, learning consistency, and better educational content. For example, for future tense, we have received this content. So when I go back to the home page and once again redirect to the same subject tutor module,
Good morning. Let's begin.
and I'm asking for what is future tense,
The future.
I'm always getting the same answer for each and every question. Now let's look at one of the most exciting features. Whenever the learner asks a question, the system not only displays the answer as text, but also plays a corresponding teacher video. These videos are pre-generated using a realistic teacher avatar. The system automatically matches the question with the appropriate video and plays it on the right side of the screen. This creates an engaging classroom-like learning experience where learners can both read and watch the explanation.
Future tense describes actions that will happen. These actions are not done yet. It talks about plans and predictions. It helps explain future events.
Another useful feature is conversation memory. The system remembers the context of the current conversation. For example, I asked the previous question, what is future tense? Now I'm going to just give example.
Let me give you some simple examples. She will travel tomorrow. This action will happen in the future. It has not happened yet. It will rain tonight.
The system understands that the learner is still talking about future tense and provides relevant examples without requiring the full question again. This creates a natural and smooth learning experience. As the teacher video plays, the corresponding text can also be highlighted. This helps learner follow the explanation more effectively. If learners want to review the lesson again, they can replay the video as many times as they like. This makes learning flexible and self-paced.
The future tense describes actions that will.
We can play, pause, and replay the video. The subject tutor can also respond to common conversational messages. For example, if a learner says, "Okay, thank you," the tutor provides a perfect response. For example, if I say, "Okay, thank you, ma'am."
You're welcome. Do you have any other questions?
No, the class is boring.
Please take a short break. When you are ready, ask a tense question.
The tutor can respond like a real teacher and encourage the learner to continue learning. These interactions make the experience more human and engaging. The system is designed to stay focused on the current learning topic. For example, if the uploaded content is only about English tenses and a learner asks a question about science or mathematics, the tutor will not attempt to answer it. Instead, it politely informs the learner that the current lesson is about English tenses and encourages them to ask questions related to that topic. This helps maintain learning focus and prevents confusion. For example, I'm going to ask, what is physics?
Sorry, I can only help with questions about English tenses. Please ask a question related to tenses.
The platform also include content moderation feature. If inappropriate or offensive language is used, the tutor responds like a professional teacher and reminds the learner to use respectful language. This helps make a safe and positive learning environment for students. For example, if I say stupid,
Please use polite words. Ask your question in a respectful way.
Subject Tutor helps students learn anytime, even when teachers are not available. It provides instant answers and explanations whenever students need support. Many students feel shy about asking questions in front of their classmates, but Subject Tutor allows them to ask questions privately and confidently. This creates a more comfortable and effective learning experience. Thank you for watching this demo.